Girl, the fast way to achieve an even looking skin is using hydroquinone. It's using hydroquinone, okay? We are not frowning on it anymore. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing amazing. Hold on, let me change this lighting setting to cold because it was on warm, and warm makes me look like a whole new person. But yeah, this is me. So hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing amazing. So today I am going to show you how you can achieve a very even looking skin. If you have body pigmentation, if you have dark spots on your skin that you want to clear, fix your body pigmentation correctly with the right products on your skin, so you don't go and be making certain mistakes that you shouldn't be making. Okay, so tell me why I go on TikTok, I type, in the search bar, I'm like, okay, let me see what these TikTokers are saying about how to fix hyperpigmentation. Lo and behold, the videos that I saw was the use of hydroquinone. You mix it with tretinoin and then mix it with another body lotion. You can mix it with E45, a mild lotion. I was like, this is new. I have never seen anything like this on YouTube. So why am I seeing it on TikTok? Why are TikTok people so very sure that using hydroquinone and a mild lotion, and when you add tretinoin, is going to help to clear off your body pigmentation and all of that? I'm really confused here because when I come on YouTube, I don't see such things. I don't see anybody talking about hydroquinone, how to use hydroquinone. The best ingredients that I see people talking about from even high skincare creators is glycolic acid. Even from top dermatologists is glycolic acid, right? Even this glycolic acid is not good for everybody. How much more this hydroquinone? Like me, for example, I have a dry skin, so if I want to fix body pigmentation on my skin, I definitely will not go for glycolic acid because it can be too harsh for my dry skin. But for someone with a tough skin, they can use glycolic acid. But me, if I want to even out my dark skin right now, I am not going for glycolic acid. I'll go for something like lactic acid. So I thought these are the kind of things that we're supposed to be talking about to help people deal with their hyperpigmentation on their body and all of that. So where from hydroquinone, mix it with tretinoin, mix it with E45. The best part about all of this, okay, is the E45 that I see there. E45 is a very good mild, soothing, hydrating lotion. So mixing hydroquinone with E45 is like the perfect combo for me right now. Like when I saw it, I was like, are we missing something? Are we missing something? Because they sure do know what they are talking about, okay? They sure do know what they are talking about. But trust me, I never knew that you can use hydroquinone in such a way to heal your hyperpigmentation, right? So if you don't have a sensitive skin, your skin is all right, and you have body pigmentation that you want to cure, you can maybe try out this hydroquinone plus this E45 cream right here, right? So what you do is to take a pea size of the hydroquinone in your palm and take a good amount of your E45, mix it together in your palm and use it on your body. That is the right way to use this combo right here. I am here because of hearsay, or because of what I've seen people talking about, and it seems to be working out for them. So if you've tried everything and your dark spots areas are not virgin and you want them gone, girl, the fast way to achieve an even looking skin is using hydroquinone. It's using hydroquinone, okay? We are not frowning on it anymore. We are not frowning on it anymore, okay? So you can use hydroquinone plus this E45 cream or any mild body cream that you want on your skin. You can use it with Dove, shea butter and vanilla. You can use it with this Vaseline mature skin, body lotions that has ceramides, lipids, soothing ingredients like shea butter and the likes in there is what you should be mixing with this hydroquinone. Don't go and mix it with vitamin C. Don't mix it with niacinamide. Don't mix it with another glycolic acid body lotion. Nope. I would recommend that if you are going to try it for your first time, please once a week, try it like once a week. And if you find that it is okay on your skin, you are seeing improvement, the following week you can use it twice a week, then in a month's time thrice a week. Just make sure that you are paying attention to your skin whilst using this hydroquinone. I beg you, whilst using this hydroquinone, please make sure you are paying attention to your skin. I get it that not everybody has the money to, consult with a dermatologist and all of that, right? But make sure you are not abusing this hydroquinone. And the best way to also use hydroquinone, you need to take breaks with this hydroquinone. You shouldn't make it a continuous use. Don't make it a continuous use. After 3 months, please put a stop to it. Even within the 3 months, I would recommend that you take breaks. Maybe use it for 2 weeks, the following week you don't use it. Use it for another 2 weeks, the following week you don't use it. You use it that way. Do it that way, okay? Do it that way. Do not abuse this hydroquinone, okay? I'm sharing this because I know that dark spots areas can be very, very difficult to treat, especially on the body. Do you know why? Because the skin on our body can be tough, it can be stubborn than the skin on our face, okay? So if you want to use this hydroquinone, do it exactly how I have shown you, so that you don't suffer from, complete skin darkening. If you use it continuously till thy kingdom come, you're going to suffer from complete skin darkening. It's a word that they call it. I'll leave the word here. I actually did a little research before coming here, okay, to see if it is actually really safe to use this hydroquinone without prescription from a dermatologist. It is safe, but you have to be very, very, very careful. Very careful. But then if you are here not because of this hydroquinone and you want another method, you don't agree with this hydroquinone, you want another method, you can use glycolic acid body lotion, you can use lactic acid body lotion, you can also use retinol body lotions. These lotions are also good at fading body pigmentation. They are going to renew your skin nicely for you and give your skin a new layer, right? They are going to take off all those dead skin cells from your skin and give your skin a fresh look anytime you use them. Make sure you use these glycolic acid body lotions or these retinol body lotions along with mild hydrating products. Use these lotions also at night. When you're starting, I'll still advise that you start once a week, then gradually work your way to using it every day, okay? These are not hydroquinone, these are just simple cosmetic actives, so you can use these ones every day for the rest of your life. But when it comes to hydroquinone, you can't use it for the rest of your life. You can only use it as treatment, and when your hyperpigmentation has disappeared, you stop and start using healthy skincare products like the vitamin C, the niacinamide to maintain your complexion and all of that. Okay, so thank you so much for passing by. I want to know your thoughts about this hydroquinone and E45 mix. I really want to know your thoughts. I saw it last night. I was like, I really need to talk about this because I don't know the number of people who are indulging in using hydroquinone on their skin without prescription, right? Please let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts about using hydroquinone for dark spots, fading, and all of that. Okay, if you've used this mixture as well, please let me know down in the comment section what your thoughts are about it. Did it work on your skin? How did you use it? How are you using it? All of that. Please, you can also school us right here in the comment section. I'll be so glad if you do. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel for more amazing skincare topics, discussions, content like this one. Like this video if you enjoyed watching, and I'll catch you in the very next one. Till next time, take care, stay blessed, love you. Mwah. Bye.